Hey Andrew, what's the difference between engine misfire and engine knock?
Okay. Yeah, it's an easy one kind of mess up, or at least confused. So an engine misfire means that it's misfiring. It's in the name, right? So either ignition tapping a little too late or a little too early in the timing for it. That's what that means. An engine knock means a larger issue. It means that right now at that moment, the valves for it are opening a little too early or closing a little too early. So it's causing things to mess up. So now things are actually hitting each other. That is a problem where if you're lucky and it's not too bad, you might be able to fix it. But a lot of times, if that's happened, especially on interference motors, it's time to push the car goodbye. Let's put it that way.